Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs. Today we're going to have another short review of what happened in the XAUUSD gold forex trading strategies for today, because we had one of the chill days in gold, but still, believe it or not, really good opportunity for a good trade, a really powerful trade that still went on even if it's part of a, let's say, a mellow day. But if you're curious to see what kind of market does gold have on a mellow day, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're going to have another review of the gold forex trading market and what happened on the market itself today. It's really interesting to see how the market exactly changes from one day to another, but definitely good to see how gold is behaving on a good day and how it's behaving on a mellow day and what that entails. So I'm looking at a really powerful trend right now that I really need to show you guys and discuss with you. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is just a snapshot of today's gold forex trading market and exactly what happened when a really powerful trend started to appear on the market itself. Like you know, if you watch my previous videos here on the Trade Labs channel, you have noticed most likely that gold has been having some really powerful and really good months, as in multiple months. On a daily basis, at least you have at least one trend which overpasses the mark of potential 2000 pips. Like, if you don't know the true value of 2000 pips potential, then go ahead and Google it, because you'd be amazed. Gold is a metal that is regarded by investors as a safe haven for investments. Why? Because it's holding its value usually on long periods of time, and that's what investors are more attracted to, right? You buy something that you know in time is going to grow in price on a steady basis. Now gold, because it's closest to the monetary currencies, let's say, it's one of the most influenced market that we have seen in terms of these social political events in the world. The Russian invasion in Ukraine has had a really big impact on the gold forex trading market itself and how the market actually behaves, because we've seen some really insane powerful moves where gold has been rallying all the way to the top, trying to, let's say, keep up with the inflation. But even if we don't have one of those crazy days, like the biggest day that I think I've ever seen was with a potential of over 3000 pips into one trend. I think it was close to 3400 pips potential in one trend, and I'm only speaking one trend. So if you were to calculate basically the whole trade day, you could have a lot more than that, but I'm just talking about the biggest massive trends, one in numbers, that you can, let's say, come in, take that trade, take it out and make a profit. Anyways, we had one of these crazy days, and then we have some mellow days, of course, because at some point the gold forex trading market is going to come back down in terms of value and is going to, let's say, reset itself. Like, it's been going all the way to the top until a certain point, and now it's starting to stabilize and starting to go back to normal. At some point it did overpass the mark of 2000 in terms of price point, but now it's back to 1950s. Now what does that tell you is that gold forex trading market is definitely going to have another few weeks at least of volatility. However, this volatility, I believe, in my opinion, that it's limited, and at some point it will stop. It will come to an end, because the actual invasion in Ukraine has started to, let's say, melt down in the emotional shock and impact on the world. Therefore, I think it's starting to stabilize a bit more and it's going to come to an end. So what that tells you is that you need to take advantage as soon as possible on the volatility of the market itself, especially if you know what you're doing. Jump in, take those trades and save it for later days. And also when I'm saying that, just don't rush into trading gold, because as you know, gold is still one of the trickiest markets to play around with, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Gold has been proven to be a really risky market to play around with if you're new to the market and you don't have like really good tools to help you, like the momentum trading indicator that I'm showing on the screen right now. Is definitely something that you need to have a look for, to have the right tools in order to make sure you are going to come out of that with a smile on your face, not crying. Long story short, things can go from really good to really bad in a matter of a few seconds if you don't have the right tools and the right mindset, and if you don't see the signals in your chart. Coming back to this snapshot of today's market that we have to discuss about today. Now, this is a trend that started to come through just around here where the momentum trading indicator has indicated a starting point of a trend change. You can see the red color changing into the green one. This basically happened at just around 9:30 in the morning, and this trend lasted all the way until around this side over here, which ended at just around 1 o'clock. So once again, this is a continuous trend. Just a recap, one continuous trend which lasted for almost 4 hours. 4 hours. So literally you have no excuse. If you watch the gold forex trading market itself and you're, let's say, researching it and studying its long-term charts and short-term charts, you definitely need to see these kind of behaviors. Like, even if you jumped in, let's say at the middle here, you're still going to do some potential pips on it than if you don't jump at all. So you had 4 hours to notice this big trend. There's no excuse. And also, especially if you carry on with your life and you have like a daily life that you need to do things and stuff, and you need to be there and go there and so on. You need to have something that at least will notify you of the starting point of a trend change, when you can jump in and see what's happening. Like, if you've seen the notification coming in and you don't see anything else coming soon, you must notice that that's a continuous trend, really powerful most likely, so you need to come in and check. The momentum trading indicator, the indicator that you're seeing on the screen right now, it's a proprietary indicator created by us here at Trade Labs in order to help you guys and traders around the world to take really fast and informed decisions on the gold forex trading market itself, because this is making a night and day difference in terms of how you are looking at the gold forex trading market itself. Why? Because it's giving you, as you can see, a clear view on the market where you don't have squiggly charts and impossible to understand strategies on the market itself that are only making you more confused than giving you any kind of information. You need something clear, like you see on the screen right now, a really big fat green trend that is sticking out in your eye, in your face, for you to take the decision. And it's notifying you of the starting point of a trend change and when the trend changes back again. And that's everything you need basically to be on top of the chart and be notified of any change, any trend, any powerful moves like this one, like this bullish, incredible move that is still amazing. By the way, guys, this beautiful trend is still on a mellow day, and I'm going to go into those details in a few seconds. If we were to have a look at the potential behind this trend, and I'm speaking only about the potential of this trend specifically, we would be considering the lowest point of the trend and the highest point of the trend to calculate the potential pips, the maximum true potential pips of this. So therefore, we would be looking at of just around 90.40 as a price, and went all the way up until just around here, which was at a price point of just around 19.55. Now that leaves you with a difference of 15 points, and points are not pips, people. If you're new here to the Trade Labs channel, most likely you already know this. This is really easy to calculate based on your points how you can get your pips. It's a straightforward formula. You just need to take the number of points that you have, multiply it with 100, and there you go, you have your pips. Now in our situation right here, we have 15 points times 100. We are looking at a crazy potential of 1,500 pips into one trend of 4 hours continuous. This is still an insane amount of potential pips that anyone could have gotten access to if you had the right tools to let you know of this. I mean, like I mentioned before, it's a continuous trend for 4 hours. If you are indeed dedicated to the gold forex trading market and you are part of those 5% traders who actually want to do something in the market itself and with their trading skills, you have to see these kind of moves. There's no excuse for you not to see these kind of moves. You had 4 hours to notice it. I mean, it's not gonna wait for you. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful and informative in terms of how you can expect gold to behave on a mellow day. So like I mentioned, on a really great day, I've seen gold behaving with a potential of 3,400 pips, but on a mellow day, it's still pretty mind-blowing with 1,500 pips potential. Now, this is insane even for any kind of market right now. Whatever you're looking at, 1,500 potential pips into one move. It's making a night and day difference in your trading life that anyone could have jumped onto if they had access to the right tools to do so. I've always told you guys about this momentum trading indicator because it's just that good. Like, I'm using this on a daily basis and I wouldn't change from this for anything in the world. Like, no more confusing charts, no more confusing indicators. Everything is clear as day and is making my trading journey just as clear. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.